Welcome to Aqua Platycodon. Today we're launching a new series on door-to-door sales scams, how they work, how to spot them, and how to protect yourself. These scams are on the rise, and they often target homeowners by pretending to offer legitimate services or products, but in reality, they're designed to mislead you. Let's dive into the first common scam: fake government-backed solar energy programs. Here's how this scam typically works. A salesperson knocks on your door, offering a special deal for installing solar panels. They might claim that the government is providing huge rebates or that it's part of a new energy program. They may use official-sounding names, but in reality, many of these offers are not connected to any legitimate government programs. A real-life example of this happened recently, where homeowners were told they could install solar panels at no cost, with guaranteed savings. After signing up, they were stuck with long-term contracts and huge bills because the rebates didn't actually exist. The scam preys on your desire to save money, especially on rising energy costs. So, how do you protect yourself? First, don't make any quick decisions. Government programs won't send salespeople door-to-door with high-pressure tactics. If the offer sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always verify the company and the program through official channels. Contact your local government or visit trusted websites before agreeing to anything. Thanks for watching Aqua Platycodon. Stay tuned for more videos in this series where we'll break down other door-to-door sales scams like fake home security offers, energy bill scams, and more. Remember, the best defense against scams is staying informed. See you in the next video.